Hi everyone, in this video lecture I will discuss about primitive polynomial. Primitive polynomial is required as a mathematics concept for the biomechanics. Let's understand what is primitive polynomial. In order to understand the primitive polynomial, it is important to understand the mechanic polynomial as well as it is important to understand the generator polynomial. This concept is similar to the error control coding methods which electronics and communication students might have studied. Let's see what is the mechanic polynomials. Mechanic polynomials is a set of linear expression. For an example, if 1011 is a mechanic matrix, this can be represented in the form of what is this one? Let's imply this one as x. Let's imply this as x. Let's imply this one as x. Let's imply this one as x again. Okay? Let it is x bar 0, x bar 1, x bar 2 and x bar 3. So what is mechanic polynomial? Mechanic polynomial is nothing but the multiplication of 1 with x bar 0, which is equal to 1 into x bar 0 plus 0 into x power 1, 0 into x power 1 plus 1 into x power 2 plus 1 into x power 3. This is my first equation. This can be further dropped into 1 into x bar 0, something to the power 0 is 1, so it is 1 plus this is 0 plus this is x power 2 plus this is x power 3. Therefore, our mechanic polynomial is given by 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 3. This is our mechanic polynomial. Why do we need the mechanic polynomial? Why do we need the primitive polynomial? I will answer all those questions in the upcoming lectures, but the purpose for this lecture is to understand the mathematics behind the biomechanics. So this is my expression for the mechanics polynomial. Mechanics polynomial, also called as mechanical polynomial. You can say that mechanical polynomial. Please remember that this is 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 3. Let's understand what is primitive polynomial. What is primitive polynomial? In the previous example, we have seen about mechanical polynomial, which is also called as mechanics polynomial, which is 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 3, which is our mechanic polynomial. Now let's see what is primitive polynomial. What is primitive polynomial? Primitive polynomial is nothing but c of x, which is nothing but multiplication of mechanical polynomial into desired values and in question they will specify what is my desired values. Let's take one example. Mechanical polynomial. They may write mechanic polynomial as well. Mechanic polynomial equals to 1 1 0 1 1 0, which is my mechanic polynomial, and desired mechanic value mechanic value is given by 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. Make sure that this term and this term should be multiplied to find out the primitive polynomial. So we have here 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, please remember I need to erase this part in order to find out the primitive polynomial. Okay, I may take some different values, which is, so our polynomial is nothing but primitive polynomial. We are finding primitive polynomial, and our primitive polynomial is nothing but given by c of x, which is nothing but g of x into f of x. We know what is this g of x. This is our mechanic polynomial, and this is our desired polynomial. This desired polynomial is nothing but desired value. Okay, so let's consider g of x be 1 0 1 0 1, and let's consider f of x be my 1 0 1 0 1 and 0. In order to find the primitive polynomial for gx and fx, it is given by c of x. I need to write down this expression, which is 1 0. Okay, how to write out this? Let's find out g of x, which is 1 0 1 0 1. Write down x to the power 0, x to the power 1. For this I will write x power 2. For this I will write x power 3. For this case I will write x power 4. So g of x will be 1 into x power 0 something into x power 0 plus 0 into x power 1, which is 0, plus 1 into x power 2, which is x power 2, 0 into x power 3 is 0, 1 into x power 4 is x power 4. Let me write down 1 into something power 0 is 1, plus 0 plus x power 2 plus x power 4, which can be written as 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 4. This is my g of x value. Let's see f of x value as well, which is 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this write down x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3 and x power 4. So f of x will be x power 1, this into this is 0 and x power 3. So this will be only x power 1 and 3, and this is 1 plus x power 2, x power 4. So let's see, this is my f of x and g of x. I hope you understood how to calculate f of x and g of x. Let's see some more questions. To move further, let's complete this question. We have our f of x and we have our g of x. So let's complete this. We have f of x is equal to x 1 plus x power 3 and g of x, we have it as 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 4. 1 plus, okay, I think this wasn't there. Okay, just consider we have x power 3 has x power 3 plus x power 1. Okay, and this is this. Okay, this is 1 x power 1 plus x power 3. Now how to calculate c of x? C of x is nothing but f of x into g of x, which is x plus x power 3 into 1 plus x power 2 into x power 4. Please note that in this multiplication, we don't go for the basic multiplication. Here we follow XOR operations in order to find out the C of x operation. Please see this. X when multiplied with 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 4 into x power 3 is nothing but 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 4. C of x will be x plus x into 2, and this is 3, 4 and 1, this is 5, plus x power 3, x power 5 and x power 7. Please note that C of x, what is the C of x? Cancel out the similar terms because here we follow XOR operation. X power 5, x power 5 get cancelled. So we have x plus x power 7. I hope the concept is clear. Now we have here, let's see what is the value of the primitive polynomial. Now we have x plus x power 7. Now in order to find out C of x, which is primitive polynomial, let's see. We have x power 0, 1, 2. We have to write till x power maximum value. Here the maximum value is 7. Write down 7. What is given? X is given. X is given as 1. What is given? X power 7. It is 1. Other x power 0 is 0. X power 2 is 0. X power 3 is 0. X power 4 is 0. X power 5 is 0. X power 6 is 0. And x power 7 is 1. So what is our primitive value? Which is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is our primitive value. I hope you understood the videos. I will take some more examples in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned. Thank you.